Every AI video says the same thing. Understand AI deeply, use this tool, master that framework. Nobody gives you the actual steps in order, no fluff. That changes right now. I'm giving you a 7-step roadmap that people are charging hundreds of dollars for in under 5 minutes. Before anything else, just understand what these words actually mean. AI, machine learning, neural networks, GenAI, LLMs, agentic AI. Don't memorize definitions. Understand what they do and where you see them. Face unlock, computer vision. Spotify recommendations, ML. ChatGPT, LLM. Spend 1 week here. Make it click. You don't need to become a developer. Just learn variables, if-else, loops, functions, lists, dictionaries, and 2 libraries, NumPy and Pandas. That's it. Python is the paintbrush. AI is the art. 2 weeks, 30 minutes a day. Consistency beats intensity every time. This is where machines start learning. You'll cover supervised versus unsupervised learning, linear regression, classification, clustering, and critical concepts like overfitting and model accuracy. Work with real datasets, predict house prices, classify flowers, get your hands dirty. Think of this as machine learning on steroids. Neural networks, CNNs, transformers, this is the tech behind ChatGPT, face recognition, and self-driving cars. Use PyTorch or TensorFlow. Start by building a digit recognizer. The moment your model actually learns something, addictive. This is where knowledge becomes skill. Build an image classifier, a sentiment checker, a fake news detector, a recommendation system. Document everything, GitHub, a blog post, a video. This becomes your portfolio, your proof, your ticket. Now you plug into the present. Learn prompt engineering. Use APIs to build chatbots, PDF Q&A bots, content generators. Use ChatGPT, Midjourney, 11 Labs, but don't just use them. Understand what's happening under the hood. That's what separates builders from consumers. You can't master everything. Pick one. AI ML engineer, build and deploy models at scale. Data scientist, find patterns, tell stories with data. GenAI expert, ride the current wave, build with LLMs and agents. Whatever excites you most. Because AI is hard. If you're not genuinely interested, you'll burn out.
That's the full roadmap. 7 steps. No fluff, no $500 course. This isn't a 30-day challenge. It takes months of consistent effort. Some days your model works and you feel like a genius.
Some days nothing makes sense. Both are normal. Both are part of it. The people who make it aren't the smartest. They're just the ones who keep showing up. If this gave you clarity, subscribe. I break down AI, tech, and careers exactly like this. Simple, actionable, free. I'll see you in the next one.